back to my channel Crypto Selling. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Atwa. I will share all the detail about Atwa. It is an artificial intelligence project. You can be able to make a content within minutes, seconds with the artificial intelligence help. I will share it detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos. You will get an update on it, and if you like my video, give thumbs up too. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant project with artificial intelligence. As you know about the artificial intelligence too, they are going further. They have the integrity in their work, and they are going for digital marketing and content creation. You can make a content creation with the next generation AI tools. They have different innovation in that too. You can also be able to make your account on it. For that you have to sign up here, and you can log in by using your email passwords. You can connect it with your wallet too, and they are going for the NFTs too. And for that you can see unmatched creativity with the Atwa's next generation AI. Transform your vision into the exceptional AI crafted masterpiece. Explores infinite creative possibilities, streamline your workflow, and propel your success starting today. You can get started today, and I will give all their links. Basically, how it works, you have to choose the template, choose your built-in template, or create your own templates. It up to you that which you want to use. And the second step is about the describe. Enter a few sentences to describe your topic, add your keywords, that which type of content, which type of thing you want on that, and you have to click on the generate button, and you will get a variety of high converting copy every time. You can see that here it is the video which is given here in the digital way. You can see that I will play it from the start. You can see it here, and it is the goodest best test project. You can see they are granting basically work. It is safe and secure. You can go and work on it for further details too, and it is giving further. I will give all their details. You can see from the AI you can make different types of videos. You can see it here. So you have to just add the contact details. So it is scrolling as it will open it. I will give its link too. You have to go with the Atwa. You can see you have to unmatch creative with the AI next generation. So you can see it is not playing fully because due to some internet issues. I will do it here as it's load all that, so that I will go and reuse for you too. So you can see coolest feature, they have high quality code you can develop by using domain driven design and onion architecture principle. You can see they have the next feature which is modern technology built. They built their platform with a modern technology for best structure and get maximum performance. They have friendly UI and UX, means you can enjoy hassle-free in their interface that enhance the digital experience. You can see that too from here. And if I go further, they have the dark mode. You can turn off the light mode and switch it into dark mode as their interface with one click. You can see they have the documentation. They have payment gateways, simplify transaction and boost security with a payment gateway solution. They have AI generators. You can unlock limitless creativity with the AI powered content generator. They are SEO friendly. You can boost your visibility and reach more audience. They have advanced dashboard, empower your insight. They have custom templates to inform your content creation with AI driven custom templates. Login via SM accounts. You can use Facebook or Google account as an alternative access to that platform. They have also high quality support too. You can see that 24/7. You can see I share their details. You can also join them on the Telegram. You can join their community on Twitter too. They are already working on Etherscan. They have the token name as Ottawa AITUA. You can go for that. You can buy it from here. Sponsors take 200. You can see their contact address is given. I will copy that and give it to you. You can see all other persons are going and invested it. Their transaction details are given. Even though they are also listed on BSC scan, you can see that its price, all details. From here to their price, their details is given here. Even though next further they have the white paper on-chain enterprise platform powered by AI. You can read their introduction further here. They have different details which is given here. They are going web 3 basically. They have different introduction. You can read their details from here to do your own research to before going and investing on it. I will recommend you to must go and invest, as on this platform you can able to work as a content creator too. They have the text generation, image generation, code generation technologies on it too. They have platform capabilities which I will share on it too. They have multi you can see content creation. They have customizable user access, seamless integration. As further they have use cases. You can use cases like enterprise content generation. They have tokenomics too. I want to share with you their tokenomics so that you can go and invest in it, as it is the best opportunity at that time for working on it too. As you can see, it is loading here. So the symbol is TUA. They have total supply 5 billion. Token type is utility and governance. Network is BNB, ETH, and Lithosphere. You can see they have three network here. Their BSC, their ETH, different addresses given. All allocation, they have network growth 40%, team advisor 20%, ecosystem fund 20%, public and private 20%. You can use that in service assets like token grant access to the premium platform features. Governance, token holders can vote on the platform development and strategic directions. Incentive program is given here. You can see their roadmap to roadmap are the most important. Basically work on it. You can see it is audit is given, contract audit. You can see that 2024 they will go launch their basically AI service and initial token. 2025 they will go for expansion and integration platform features. In 2026 strategic partnership and global. You can see their conclusion which is at the end is given. I will just share that so that I can brief the video, their website, their Twitter, all detail is given. You can go and work on it. Is a brilliant project. You can even though go and make account on it, do use their features from here, and you can create your contact within a minute from here too. I share their all coolest features here. So it is a good platform. You can make money in it by their tokens and also by working on it, making creation of your content. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.